Do you ever feel you're living a Groundhog Day existence? Waking up at the same time, to leave for work at the same time, to drive the same way to work, to get to work, to sit in the same desk, next to the same people, to do the same thing, only to leave at the same time, to go home the same way, seeing the same zombie pedestrians, crossing the same traffic lights, to then go home and do the same routine, the dinner, the kids' homework, clean up lunches for the next day, and then to go to bed anxious about having to do the same thing the next day. Well, I'm Stacey Kopas, also known as the Home Business Goddess, and I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. I too got caught up in the Groundhog Day life. I used to joke about it, but inside I wasn't laughing. I hated the fact that I went to work every day and worked with people that didn't share my desire for a bigger and better life. I yo-yoed between working harder to try and get a promotion to make more money and then just cruising until the boredom became toxic. I eventually made the decision that I would start a home business. My home business of choice is online marketing, but the possibilities are endless. They're only limited by imagination. So who can start a home business? Well, I don't have a degree in marketing, a degree in business. Hell, I don't have any degrees or diplomas. It doesn't matter how old or young you are, what your skill level is. As long as you have a commitment to success and to learning, then a home business can be for you. So what are the benefits of a home business? One of the biggest ones is not having to waste your time and money travelling. I know when I was travelling, I made good use of the time. I always listened to audios to learn, but I'd rather be at home, that's for sure. Job security. At the moment, this week we heard that, Blue Scope are laying off 1,000 people, Qantas going to lay off 1,000 people. With having your own business, the job security is entirely up to you. You work for yourself in your business, not for anyone else. You choose when you work, where you work, and what you do. So the choice is yours. Do you want to continue the groundhog existence, or do you want to live the life that you've dreamed of? The choice is yours. If you'd like to live the life you've dreamed of, go to homebusinessgoddess.com and the journey can start there. Thank you.